Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you in mounting Devialet Dione on a wall. Please note that any wall installation should always be carried out by 2 people. Before we begin, please ensure that Devialet Dione is placed upside down on the installation wedges, that the power cable and the appropriate audio cable, HDMI or optical, are connected to the sound bar. And for more information, refer to the unboxing video. Start by placing the drilling template included in the packaging against the wall. Then, use a measurement instrument to ensure the Devialet Dione is placed at minimum 20 centimeters, or 8 inches, under the TV, and that the sides of the soundbar are left unobstructed. Check for levelness with a level and mark the locations of the 2 screws using a pencil. Then, remove the template. Before drilling through the wall, carefully read Devialet Dione official drilling recommendations inside the packaging or on devialet.com. You will also need to use the lugs found in the packaging. After the appropriate fasteners are installed on the wall, grab the 4 adhesive pads found in the packaging and stick them on both sides of Devialet Dione wall notches. Then, flip the product on its side with the center sphere facing upwards. Hang Devialet Dione on the previously installed wall fasteners using the notches located behind the bar. Finally, turn the central sphere clockwise until you hear a click. You may encounter some resistance at the beginning of the operation. Please do not turn the central sphere the other way and ensure the Devialet logo is correctly positioned in front of you. Turning the central sphere is mandatory to guarantee optimal rendering from the sphere's internal speakers in the wall mount position. Congratulations! Devialet Dione is now ready to be used. Refer to the Start Dione step of the Quick Start or to the unboxing and discovery video to continue. Thank you for watching this tutorial.